how curved that part of the road is right there. I'm gonna try doing one more no light.
No light?
Yeah, I'm gonna be like kind of far off the side of the road though. I'll be on this side.
Which side do you want me to come from?
Just same. You're driving normally this way.
Just there?
Yeah. So I'm gonna be on like right where you are right now.
Alright.
As if Jeffy remembers to like pass it. Yeah, probably.
Banana.
Fine, it's your first time.
Oh, I did it.
You should do that. It's gonna spin out.
What?
Nothing?
You think I'm gonna spin out?
No. Yeah?
I did something that time.
Yeah.
I got sand in my eyes. I don't know how.
I know how.
Yeah.
I watched. Oh, Christ.
I don't think I did better my second round, huh? Huh? I don't think I did better my second round. I don't really care though. I'm not
That's fine. Yeah, you guys don't never done it before.
No, we
You're not gonna be
haven't.
genius first time. Is he trying to launch it? Hey, I got lucky because one, I have an LSD, it's a 240, and I just happened to watch Rafa do it, and he told me basically what to do, and I just did it.
Yeah.
But I only did it like once, and then I just kept spinning out. I am not a drifter, at least not yet. Oh God. Neighborhood right there. No! Oh, fuck. It's fine. Whatever. Yeah, there's a neighborhood right there. Ah. Fuck! Just got foxtails in my leg.